In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for studying. Now, if you want to streamline and make your studies more efficient, it's quite simple using Poppy AI. Open a new board, and here you want to create several groups depending on what you're studying about. So group one, let's say recent studies, for example, right? Recent studies. Group two might be, say, technological breakthrough, right? And you can just add as many factors as you want, so you can have everything on its own group, meaning its own category, right? And then you just want to open up an AI chatbot and just connect each, right? So for example, for recent studies, let's just go say agriculture, right? Right? Agriculture recent studies, right? Because we need recent studies, so we have several here. All we need to do is just copy link address and paste it here, as you can see, right? For example, we're just gonna copy a couple of these like so. Let's copy a third one. There you go. Yeah, we have 3 recent studies, and then we're just gonna go agricultural technological breakthroughs, right? And here we are going to do the same thing. Paste a couple, right? There we go. And as you can see, we now have all the literature we need. And here I can just tell Poppy Chat to, I want you to create a very in-depth breakdown or outline using, say you want to do recent studies first, using group 1, right? So it's gonna start thinking. It starts to just use group 1. So as you can see, recent studies, so it contains 3 articles, and it's going to use these 3 articles from here. If I do the same thing for this, it's going to do the same thing. So we're going to have a breakdown here that is very in-depth using Poppy AI. Now this is a very bland or basic or simple prompt. You can make this as customized or as specific as possible, and that's pretty much the bare bones basics of it. You can make this better. And yeah, if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you in the next video.